And they're at the beach. Trying to look, say hi, Tim. Tell kids where you are.
Hi, food.
Let him say the Jamaican expression first. Me no business.
Be no business.
Alright, say the French expression.
En avoir gros
No va gros.
sur la patate.
C'est de patate.
Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, I woke out of bed after midday today again. Say morning Fibs.
Morning, Faith.
What you doing?
I said morning, phone.
Morning phone. He's saying morning phone because normally he'll be talking to Fibs through the camera. There's the phone, so he's saying morning phone. He's so funny. You guys, I woke up late again and so did Tyler. We didn't get out of bed until after midday. I'm here just finishing up some editing and baby's eating birthday cake because I insisted that I'm taking back a piece of Tyler birthday cake for him. I didn't know how it would travel with me, so I didn't carry too much of it because I didn't want to carry a lot and then it spoiled. So I left a lot back in the fridge for my sister and Kaylin and whoever she's gonna give. But I make sure I carry a good amount for babe, and he's here eating it right now. He's here having
But
it.
chocolate is not working.
Hi guys, well, I'm some cake in my finger.
You seen yourself? Tyler, excuse
This
me.
cake is good.
It's the first he's eating Jamaica birthday cake.
Yeah, this look like the in France, you know, like the kiddie cake that we get, like with the design on top of it.
Right. This is the one that they used to do that.
It's
Yeah.
more this cake.
Yeah, that's what they used
That's
to do
not
that.
French people don't eat much of this.
Yes, Stella.
We eat more like baking, creamy
Yeah.
baking
Yeah.
cake.
It's
But
not
this is good, and if you have a lot of people, that's also, yeah, that's good. The French cake is too creamy, it's too.
It's nothing like this.
No, it's completely different. But you know me, you know I eat everything, so
Exactly.
yeah, I enjoy everything. But I'm gonna stop now because I eat already a good amount. I might finish tonight. I don't want to wait too long.
If you eat it now and if you eat it tonight, it's the same. So might as well just eat it off and done.
No, it's not the same because my stomach now don't want anymore.
Oh, that's what you mean. Oh, I thought you mean like something else. Sorry.
No.
Well, see, Tyler eating it and Tyler loved it. Tyler, you want some more?
Yes.
Let Papa give you some more. Go. Go, let Papa give you some more.
Tyler,
Go for the cake. You're so funny.
quel âge tu as maintenant?
3 ans.
4 ans ou 3 ans?
3 ans.
3 ans?
Oui.
Oui?
Oui.
Oui?
So baby's enjoying
Tiger.
baby's enjoying
Tyler?
Jamaica birthday cake for the first time.
Allez, on met ça au frigo, d'accord?
I want a piece before you put it up. And I'm going to get a piece in. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. We're here still trying to
Tu donnes ça, maman.
vlog on my phone. We're not gonna do
Attention.
much today, but whatever it is that we're doing then. Oh, thank you, Tyler. Whatever it is that we're doing, of course, we'll tag you guys along. We're at the beach with Thailand Jen. Listen, we kept a birthday party for him in Jamaica before we came. As the birthday party finished, Jen, Tyler, Tyler, leave Jen alone. He's so in love with Jen, he's acting funny. Auntie Jen or nothing. You guys, it's the following day vlog. I'm joining with yesterday. We started yesterday vlog, but we had so much to do I didn't even get to finish it. Tyler and I are at the beach. Tyler, look, say hi to him. Tell the kids where you are.
Hi, food.
He keeps saying hi, phone. Tell them where you are.
Beach.
Yeah, with who?
Finga.
Yeah, with Auntie Jen. We're at the beach from one vacation to another, I guess. I didn't plan on going to the beach today, but Jen called me and said she'll be at the beach, so we just come down for a few hours to just unwind a bit before I go home and then jump back into all the things that I have to do. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Whatever it is that you guys are doing today, stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, and have fun doing it. Doing whatever it is that you're doing. We love you guys, and we're going to continue enjoying the beach, right? Having fun? Yes. Can you guys tell what I'm making for dinner? I am out of Jamaica, but Jamaica is still with me. I know all my Jamaicans have been overseas jealous right now. Ackee and saltfish on deck. Yes. Ackee and saltfish is going down in my kitchen, My mommy got me so much ackee. So I came back home with lots of ackee. And I bought saltfish at the supermarket. So I can get my ackee and saltfish going. And my husband is a huge ackee and saltfish fan. He'll just eat the ackee and saltfish as is with nothing at all. Don't ask me how and why he does that, but and Tyler also love ackee. So it's gonna be ackee and saltfish for Din Din. Why do I look like I should have cooked more saltfish though? But that's right. That's all right. It looks like it's just enough. So there we go. Ackee and saltfish is done. Can't waste my saltfish, you know. Cha. Tyler, what are you eating? What is that? Ackee and rice. And baby's home. Rubbing on his ackee. Say hi to the face, honey.
Hi guys. Yeah, ackee time is been a long time, been more than a year. No,
less because we buy online.
But it's still good.
But baby love ackee. Baby will eat ackee as is. He doesn't play with his ackee. And I'm gonna grub right now too. I'm gonna get mine. Oh, just in time. Ready. Yummy in the tummy. Grub time. Hey guys, we are just coming on to end today's vlog with the expressions of today. Baby, you ready?
I'm ready.
I don't remember. Okay, I was about to say I don't remember the one that I wanted to give. Okay, the Jamaican expression for today is "me no business."
Me no business.
I use that a lot.
Oh,
Babe can tell you.
I know what
use
it
that
is. She
a
don't have
lot.
to translate it.
Me no business simple means I don't care. I don't care what people think about me. I don't care what people have to say about me. I really just don't care. So I use it a lot. Me no business.
I should tell you that. I should tell you that more often.
So me no business?
Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
You'll always business.
I'm gonna tell her that more often.
What's the French expression for today?
The French expression is, you don't know this one, en avoir gros sur la patate. That's a real expression. En avoir gros is like to have big sur la patate. La patate is like a potatoes. It's from potatoes. So it's like to have a big on the potatoes. The potatoes is the heart. So like to have big and avoir gros sur la patate. No, it's like to feel sad. It's like if you have a big heavy things on the heart that makes you sad. Like you're tired, and some things, yeah, like you break down or anything is, yeah, you have too much on the heart.
Okay.
En avoir gros sur la patate.
En avoir gros.
she avoid all of the R.
So la patate. Tyler, come here. Come around this way. Come around this way. Let him say the Jamaican expression first. Say me no business.
Me no business.
Me no business.
Be no business.
Alright, say the French expression.
En avoir gros
No va gros.
sur la patate.
C'est de patate.
Say bye bye, faves.
No, more to Jamaica.
What?
More to Jamaica.
You want to go to Jamaica?
No, more of the week under Jamaica.
What you say?
More of the week in the Jamaica?
What you say, Ty?
More of the week under Jamaica.
More of the week in Jamaica?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Say give this video a thumbs up.
Give it the thumbs up.
Comment.
Come on.
Subscribe.
It's fine.
Catch up and keep up.
Keep up.
What's the last one?
Bye bye.
See you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.